Welcome to an exciting journey through the roads of progress, Jamaica's highway expansion projects. As the vibrant heart of the Caribbean, Jamaica is a country on the move, and nothing signifies this better than the ambitious highway expansion projects currently underway. These projects are more than just tarmac and traffic signs. They are arteries of progress, connecting communities, fostering economic growth, and propelling Jamaica into a future defined by enhanced connectivity. At the heart of these initiatives is a vision to weave together the island's diverse landscapes, from the bustling city centers to the serene rural communities. By expanding and upgrading the country's highways, Jamaica is not just improving its infrastructure but also creating a web of opportunities for its people and businesses alike. So what's driving these projects? The answer lies in the country's commitment to progress and prosperity. Improved highways reduce travel time, facilitate trade, bolster tourism, and enhance access to essential services. They also play a crucial role in the country's socio-economic development, paving the way for a future that's as bright as the Jamaican sunshine. Over the next few minutes, we'll take you on a virtual tour of these projects, exploring the roots and the stories they hold. We'll delve into the engineering marvels behind them, the impact they're having on communities, and the possibilities they're opening up for the future. But this isn't just about roads and bridges, it's about the people whose lives are being transformed by these projects. From the engineers and construction workers who turn blueprints into realities to the locals who are witnessing their communities evolve, each highway holds a multitude of human stories. We'll also be exploring the changing urban landscapes along these highways. As they expand, so do the cities and towns they connect, evolving into dynamic hubs of activity and growth. From bustling city centers to emerging suburban areas, these highways are shaping Jamaica's urban metamorphosis, so buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. We're about to embark on a journey that transcends screens, allowing you to virtually navigate the expanded highways of Jamaica, uncovering the stories and sights that make this island nation a place of endless discovery. Stay with us as we take a closer look at these transformative projects. It's time to dive into the specifics of these ambitious highway projects. Each one is a marvel, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Let's start with the North Coastal Highway, a beautiful stretch that links the bustling city of Montego Bay to the tranquil town of Ocho Rios. It's not just about faster travel times, it's about linking communities, fostering commerce, and opening up opportunities for tourism. Next, we have the South Coast Highway, a vital conduit that connects Kingston, the capital, with the eastern end of the island. This highway is more than just a road, it's a symbol of progress, a beacon of economic development, and a promise of easier access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities. And then there's the Highway 2000 project, a grand vision stretching across Jamaica, connecting major towns and cities. These projects are more than just roads. They're lifelines connecting communities and driving progress. The impact on communities determines a project's success. Let's dive in. Jamaica's highway expansion is not just changing landscapes but also lives. These roads are ushering in economic growth to local communities. Imagine when a remote village links with a vibrant city center. This means more businesses, jobs, and better access to essential services. But the impact is more than physical. Communities are strengthening their bonds thanks to increased connectivity. It's about connecting people, building resilient communities. These projects are crafting the future of Jamaican communities. The highways are not just roads. They are the driving force towards a brighter, more connected Jamaica. Ever wondered what happens behind the scenes? Let's explore the construction process. Every great journey begins with a single step, and the construction of Jamaica's expanded highways is no different. It all starts with meticulous planning. Engineers survey the land, taking into account the natural environment, existing structures, and the overall layout of the land. They work tirelessly to design roads that not only connect communities but also harmonize with Jamaica's diverse landscape. Once the blueprint is finalized, the real work begins. Construction crews, armed with state-of-the-art machinery, descend upon the site. They start by clearing the land, removing any obstacles that might impede the construction. This could include anything from small shrubs to large boulders. It's a task that requires both precision and power. Next comes the grading process. This is where the land is leveled to create a flat and even surface for the road. It's a crucial step as it ensures the safety and smoothness of the drive. Can you imagine trying to drive on a bumpy or slanted road? Not a very pleasant thought, is it? With the land prepared, the construction of the road base begins. This involves layering materials like gravel and crushed stone to create a firm foundation for the road. After all, these highways need to withstand the weight of countless vehicles over the years. Finally, the asphalt is poured, creating the road surface that we see and drive on. This is followed by the addition of road signs, lane markings, and safety barriers. Each component is carefully placed to ensure a safe and efficient driving experience. But the construction process doesn't end there. Regular maintenance and updates are crucial to ensure the longevity of these roads. This includes everything from filling potholes to updating road signs. It's a never-ending cycle of improvement and progress. The construction of these highways is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. The journey from a blueprint to a fully functional highway is a complex one, filled with challenges and triumphs. It's a process that not only transforms landscapes but also lives, connecting communities and driving progress across Jamaica. As our journey comes to an end, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of Jamaica's highway expansion projects. We've traveled together along these roads of progress, traversing the island's picturesque landscapes and evolving urban vistas. The expansion of Jamaica's highways is not just about laying down more asphalt, it's about weaving together communities and propelling this beautiful island into a new era of connectivity. We've gone on a virtual road trip, exploring the intricate web of development that is reshaping Jamaica. We've navigated the highways, witnessed the urban metamorphosis, and heard the voices of progress. We've learned about the innovative technologies and design considerations involved and the human stories behind each stretch of road. These highways are more than just roads. They symbolize Jamaica's progress, unity, and the promise of a brighter future. They're the arteries of the island, pumping life, growth, and prosperity into every corner. We've seen how these expanded roads are influencing and shaping the socio-economic landscape, from bustling city centers to emerging suburban hubs. And of course, you've been part of this journey too, engaging in a community-driven Q&A session, sharing your thoughts and questions. This is not just a one-way street after all. It's a dynamic conversation about the roads that lead to progress in Jamaica. As we wrap up, remember that every mile of these highways tells a story of development, connectivity, and the evolving identity of Jamaica. And while our virtual road trip may be coming to an end, the journey for Jamaica is just beginning. We're eager to hear your thoughts. Which project impresses you the most, and why? Is it the breathtaking scenic vistas, the engineering marvels, or perhaps the impact on local communities? Whatever it is, we want to hear from you. Share your views in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation and keep exploring the roads of progress together.